And I unbox it in the little silky green bag instead of a box, and I'm kind of feeling it. So let's see. Ooh. Hi, hey, hi, welcome to my channel. So I bought hair. It's been a while since I bought hair, so this is like an unboxing. I bought hair from AliExpress because I'm a broke bitch and like, where's my money coming from to be buying from? I don't know whose video I watched. They're like, ah shit, got hair in my story of my life. And then she was like, oh my god, I just bought this new hair. And then I clicked the link, and then she was proper like saying use my discount code. I clicked the link, I was like, wow, the hair is so nice. Wow, I want that in my life. And it said like £400 for like 14 inches. I was like, hey! Do you know what I mean? I was literally like, I'll just go to my AliExpress. So that's why I went to AliExpress and bought some hair, and it was super cheap. I haven't bought from this company before, so I thought I'd do an unboxing. I like unboxing because I like buying stuff and unboxing it because it makes me happy. I feel like I'm gifting myself something. So, oh, that hair really affected my eyes. It's gonna start leaking now. It's dribbling already. Yeah, so I bought some hair and let's unbox it. Let's just get into it. So I bought it from a company called JARIN Hair, and I realised I bought Peruvian hair, and I don't really buy Peruvian hair, so this is my first time actually wearing Peruvian hair. I hope it's nice. I think Peruvian hair is supposed to be more coarse. Mostly supposed to like reflect our natural hair a little bit more. So we're gonna open it and see. It's coming this, oh, why have they got labels on both sides? This time when I bought it there, it took kind of a while. From AliExpress, usually it just takes like 4 days, I think. I don't know what's happening, but this one took like nearly 2 weeks, and I was like, they're gonna bring my hair. And the tracking was kind of weird, but it came, and I only bought it for £65. And what's fancy about this one, I didn't buy a frontal because I just cannot be bothered with frontals, and it's kind of ruining my hairline. So what you see here is just like me brushing forward, broken hair, pretending it's baby hair, but it's not baby hair. Anyway, so well, I forgot what I'm talking about. I forgot where I am. Anywho, yeah, the packaging. Anywho, let's talk about the actual hair. So what I bought was a 7x7 closure, so it's gonna be like big, but it's not gonna, like, I don't have to think about gluing it down, and I don't really want to glue the hair, and I'm not gonna do some crazy stuff that are plucking and stuff like that. Well, it depends if it's really like ratchet, but I don't think it will be. So let's just open it. So this is the packaging. It's just come in like a pink little bag. I'm used to opening DHL bags, but this one actually came by Royal Mail, so I think that's why it took a little bit longer. I didn't know. So let's just open it. Ooh. Ooh, where's this about? Ooh. It's not coming in there. It hasn't come in there. Let me turn it this side. I don't think my information's there. Yeah, I can turn it this side. So it's coming, I'm just gonna unbox it in the little silky green bag instead of a box, and I'm kind of feeling it. So let's see. Ooh. That's a nice colour, ain't it? My Ali Grace hair came in the same kind of bag colour. So here we go. Let's just open it and see what it looks like. I'm kind of excited. It was quite cheap, so the thing is, when I bought hair when I first bought hair from AliExpress myself, I bought it from Eunice Hair, and that was time back, and then Eunice Hair was super cheap, and that hair was so robust. But I don't know how it is now, but now it's gone up in price, that's why I don't buy it, because I was like, babe, I bought you for like, and now you want to act all like, do you know what I mean? So I was like, no. So I was like, let me give this hair a go, because that's what I did first with Eunice Hair, so maybe this is something special. I don't know. Let's just open it and see. Ooh. Okay, so it's 14. Oh, they gave me some gifts. Oh, these cool. Look, they gave me like, okay, so the promo code 50%. Oh, it must have done an error. 30% off. 50% off. That can't be right. 50% off. Ooh. If it is, I'm gonna buy some hair. Well, if it's good. And they gave me some earrings as well. Some gold earrings. I'm excited about that because I lost mine when I was on holiday ages ago. I never bought more, and I wanted some more, and now I've got some for free. So let's open it. I'm gonna smell the bag to see if it's any funkiness going on. Nothing crazy. This is the usual slight tuna sandwich kind of smell, like a mild tuna sandwich smell, but nothing crazy. Just wash your hair before you wear it. You have to wash it. So let's take it out. So this is a 180 density. I bought a bundle from a different company. I bought that Aliana from on AliExpress. All the Ali's are so hard. So I bought it from Aliana from AliExpress just in case it's not thick enough to my liking. And I bought a bundle from there before, so it was super cheap and it was fine. But I found out that from that place, the longer the bundle, like my 24-inch bundle was more, it felt better than my 26 bundle, which was a bit weird, I don't know. But anywho, let's just open this unit. Let me stop talking. Ooh, take the net off. Oh, so the front is not too, the front is not too like thick. It looks like it is been plucked. Let me give you a little time. Not too thick. Sometimes they come really thick and really unnatural, but this, if you want to pluck it, you can go ahead and pluck it, but I'm not gonna. The gradient is quite nice. Let me, it doesn't want to focus. Like, it's not too thick. You know what I mean? So yeah, the hair feels, it feels thick, it feels good. It feels good. It feels good, it feels thick. I like that it feels thick. Because it's a short unit, I might not put the extra bundle in. This is 14 inches. I wasn't looking for long hair. I don't know if it's 40, it looks kind of like, it looks 12, 14 to me, nothing crazy. So far so good, it feels good. This is what the inside looks like if you're interested in what a 7x7 closure looks like. So you've got a lot of room for playing games. So if you want to part here, you can part here. If you want to part there, you can part there. There's just a lot of room to play. And it looks like nice and flat on your head. Yeah, it looks good. It looks good. So far so good. Let's look at the inside. It's got 3 clips. Got a standing clip here and a standing clip there and a standing clip on the side. What I like to do, you don't have to do it if you don't want to, I like to put clips there so my hair doesn't like slide off, but sometimes it can be too much pressure on the center of your head, but I like to do it because I'm extra and I'm like, you know, I already lost my hairline, I might as well lose the middle, so it's fine, but it doesn't matter. Anywho, so far so good, I'm getting good vibes. It is different, it does feel different to when I buy my Brazilian hair. I feel like Brazilian hair feels a little bit softer, but it's still coarse. But I like Indian hair a lot. I haven't had Indian hair in ages, but this is my first time wearing Peruvian hair. So I'm gonna wash this and then I'm gonna put my hair there and you'll see how it looks like when it's on me. So the next time you'll see me, I'll be wearing this unit and we can talk more about it. I can talk about what happened when I washed it, if anything funky happened. When looking at the hair, it's not like a jet black, it does look quite natural. It's got like a brown, I don't know if you can see it, but it's got like a brown tone, it looks like hair. It does look, it gives me hair vibes. It's got a little bit of flyaways. Is this supposed to be? Yeah, it's got a little bit of flyaways, but I don't look that crazy. But so far, I feel like it's gonna be good. I feel like it's gonna be good news. So I'm gonna put on my head and then we're gonna see how it goes. Well, I'm gonna wash it first and I'm gonna tell you what happened. Because I've had hair that I washed and this black stuff was just coming out of it and I was like, this is no good. And when I went back on AliExpress to find a company, they basically closed the company down on the website. You can't access anything from there. It's called Brenda Hair. Like, and I was like, what? I can't even email you to say what have you done, what is this? Anyway, we'll see you in a bit. Okay, so we're back and the hair is now on my head. Like, washing it, like, so far it's like, yay. I watched it and nothing crazy happened, and as I was watching it, it felt even softer than what it was before when I just received it in the box. And the hair is like pretty freakishly soft, like to the point I'm like, yeah. When I was straightening it, I'm like, are you gonna be okay? Can you take this heat? I tried to like curve it, but it's just like too soft. It's as if it needs like some sort of hairspray to like, if you want to like style it, because I think it will just drop because it's so soft. It is thinner than what I expected, I must say, but at the moment I kind of like it because I feel like it looks more natural. I was gonna put that bundle in to make it thicker, but I was like, no, I just want an easy wig. Like, I want this to be my easy. Oh no, it's feels here. I want it to be like an easy wig. I think it's gonna be like my work wig. I can just slap it on, and it's super easy to straighten. So I won't have time. I won't have like so much consumption in the morning putting this wig, taking care of it, trying to like straighten it, because it's super easy to straighten. It just straightens quick. I think it's because it's not that thick, and usually I like to have thick hair, and I think I'm ruining my wigs now because like I start having like less patience, and I'm like, oh my god, I just want it on my head, and I'm like, I'm not slaying as before. Like, my hair is just not slaying like before. But yeah, I think it's cute at the moment. It is super soft, like super duper soft. It's just so soft. Like, it does kind of feel like if your natural hair was straighten, like, oh sisters, natural hair was straighten, it feels like that. It's like really soft. It feels nice. For £65 it's def at the moment. I'd say it's defo worth it. £65. But the only downfall I'd say is the thickness. It's not that thick. It's not that thick. Like, but I think it's because where I'm used to also making my wigs. I prefer making my wigs. I prefer the look of when I make my wigs compared to buying wigs. But I ain't got time. I don't want to do it. Like, honestly, it's like, I think it's because you know everything, not passion for it and time and patience. I'm like, I don't want to do this, but it looks better. But like, well, this is just so much more convenient and easier for me. But the look of when I make my own wigs looks better and feels better. It's much more thicker. It's much more me. But because this is all, it's like short, I don't mind it being this length. This like, what's it called? Bear with me. As I was saying, yeah, because it's like the length, I don't mind it being this thin, but if it was longer, I'd definitely 100% put in more bundles to make it thicker, because it's just cute like this, and it's cute and natural. And what I've done is literally, I put some hairspray at the front just to like style it a bit, push it back. Oh yeah, the other downfall as well is the flyaways. I had to put hairspray at the top as well to like flatten it, to make sure it doesn't fly away. But yeah. Okay, so I just wanted to interrupt here and tell you the overall pros and cons, advantages and disadvantages of this hair. So I've been wearing this hair for like a while now. Well, not a while, like a week, and let me just share with you. So the advantages is that it's 7x7 closure, so you have lots of room for parting. It lays flat on your head. It looks natural because it's that Peruvian hair and it resembles natural hair, and it comes pre-plucked, and the hair is super duper 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 soft, and it does resemble your natural hair when straightened, and it's affordable, and the hair itself is nice. However, there are disadvantages. The disadvantage is that I was looking in the mirror, I was like, this just cannot be 14 inches. I know that 14 inches isn't that long, but it definitely wasn't. So I measured it and it was actually 11.5 inches, so I was kind of disappointed about that. And it just does not feel like 180 density at all. It's quite thin. I found that a lot when buying from AliExpress, that the hair does come quite thin, so I do buy extra bundles, but because this hair was short, I didn't really mind. But now looking at it, I might actually put that extra bundle in. And due to how light and soft it is, there's not much luster. Like when you move the hair, it's not all flowy, but it's because it's Peruvian hair. And the last disadvantage is that there was flyaways, but it was tameable by hairspraying it down.